Kublai pi barok ngi priang sngau bhai pi syakatup kubor menta ka janmit. Pada shwa bangin pai syaki kubor ki babnya ngin ya pet shwai ki mat bakongsan. Lapen krek kanong ba Delhi ban priang ya ka jingyalang G20 summit. Ino kam uba HM Shang Pliang na kaseng BJP ula keno ya ka jingle Shiliang kum kadaw jong ka jing ino kam ka jong u. Let Jurep ke Meghalaya Estimate Committee ya ki Jakasa Haki School ha West Giant Hills. Bat dawa ka nehusu ban pinbet ya ki jingbu kerdan ha ka school ba North Eastern Hill University. Ki kubor ki babnya ka nong ba Delhi kala dep pen kre na dong shadong ban pediang ya ka jingyalang G20 ya ka balabu ban long ha ka khandai bat shipho tarik menta ubnai ka sarkar pedeng bat ka sarkar Delhi kile bun kam bat ka ne ka jing pen kre u president keri Amerika u Joe Biden ru un sawan ban yadon benta ha ka ne ka jingyalang G20 summit bat un 1 point India la shai ka sngi Kibor badai pet ya ke jingkut jingsuba kila dep ban penkut kat wei hajar teli ki jaka lumnyut bat kila penlong ya ke jingsen red dawai ha barok ki wot hashwa ban pediang ke jingyalang G20 summit. Kumbala kami lenti u MLA berem ka Mausen Ram uba Himalaya Muktan Shangpliang mentagasngi ula pa ka shiti e no kam sha u president ka BJP ha ka jela uba Ernest Mauri. Uba Shang Pliang uloong badai nakadaw ka jingle Shiliang khmat kabla penlong ya u ba uhab ban e no ya ka seng BJP. Katkum ka jing sngo jong u kila don shibun ki mat ba ulara sha u president ka BJP ha ka jilla ki badai bat ka jing pen klan ya ka seng ha Meghalaya khamtam ha ki than nong kindong. Haga ju ka por ka BJP haga jilla kala jubab ting e ya ki jing no le Shiliang khmat da uba Shang Pliang uba Ernest uloong badai uba Shang Pliang uba le Shiliang khmat da ka bakerpat ya ka seng ban pinyeng ya upara jong u na Mausen Ram mondal.
There is no nepotism at all in the BJP. Instead, if you go back to Mausen Ram, we have appointed the president of Mausen Ram Mandal. It is his brother. Nepotism is there, you know. On his request, we have appointed his brother as the Mandal president. So where is my nepotism? It is not true. We don't have that system of nepotism in the party.
Ka President keri ka Draupadi Murmu ka lapen kuburam ya ki nohikai ki banakal lengkeri da ka khusnam National Award ha ka program ka balong ha Vigyan Bhavan jong ka nong ba Delhi hinin kesngi ka badai ka si kerpang jong ki nohikai. Na jilla Meghalaya ba Timothy Jones Dahar bat Madhav Singh kila yok pediang ya ka National Teachers Award Arhajar Arpulai na ka President keri. Uba Timothy Dhar uday unong hikai banshna yikali ha Industrial Training Institute Shillong kat ba Madhav Singh uday unong hikai Science ha Alpha English Higher Secondary School Ribhoy.
President of India Srimati Draupadi Murmu, I dedicate this award to my state Meghalaya, my district Ribhoy district and my school Alpha English Higher Secondary School and all.
Ka Meghalaya Estimate Committee hinin kesngi kala let jingo ya ki Jakasa ha ki school ki badon ha Sabah Muswang ha West Giant Hills District ka committee hapo ka jingyalang usyong konor ubadairu UMLA ka nongpo uba Merrill Bonds im ula shim jingkhen halor ka jinglong jingman ki yeng ki sem ha ki Jaka pule. Ka komiti kala syak skor ya orang ba shnong ka shnong Sabah Muswang bat ki nong ai Jaka halor ki jing e ki bay bat kani ka project. Kam hadien la penan burom ya ki khot ha ka community hall ha Sabah Muswang. Ka menteri ketenat ka kuat ka kia ikong Amperin Lingdo ila pentip ba ketenat kan sepenlong ya ka interview ya ka jingtung ya ki mid-level health providers MLHPS Hatura West Garo Hills District haga khat artarik unailor. Habakren bat kinong thok kubor ikong Amperin iloong bala shim ya kanikaray ban pintikna babaro kinyo ya kaju kalat. Kham Hashwa ke Menteri kala penlong ya ke jingelang bakit khot ke seng FKJGP, GSU, ADE na rilom garo, ki bala ujor halor ke jingbam la ke sorkar ban penmi ya ki advertisement jong ki kam MLHP hakane ke than.
The department has engaged again and brought out an advertisement that will encompass and give opportunity to individuals who likely pass out of these two institutions. And this interview will be held in Tura on the 12th of September. We should give adequate opportunity to all. Though we know that in the state of Meghalaya, only 2 institutions, recognized institutions, run this program. So, like is done in several other recruitments, the Department of Health thought it would be best to do a campus recruitment here.
Ka Office Jong ka Directorate of Dairy Development negasngi kala IT ya ka kali kedut but test ya ka dut sya ka milk transportation but testing vehicles hapo ka NPDD ka badon pratli ki dairy cooperative society ha ka jila ha Central Dairy Campus Mauyong. Habakran hagan ngasngi Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry but Veterinary uba AL Hek ula pediang ba ka Kamri Masi ha ka jela kadang don ha ka lenti bandang kiu syaprang. Wat haba ula penslur ya ki brio ban trei ya ka Kamri Masi ban kentiu ya ka jingpen mi dut bat ban kambha ka kamai ka ji. Hagan ka program Menteri ula IT ya ki Shabi Shaka Dairy Cooperative Society but ula kawe ya kalama nakani ka jaka.
And told when we went touring to the Garo Hills district, I've been touring into all the farms of the government. I went to the poultry farm, I went to the goatry farm, the cattle farm and all the farms. But there are very less productions. There's no production at all when we talk about the investment that the government had invested in our farms. That's why I am encouraging and telling our government, we, all of us, we need to put our effort and our hard work, definitely, but the needs of the hour is, we have to involve the people.
Ha ga jing persyang ban pen bha ban pen bet yaki a ka baki sngo ba ka long ka rukom le shiliang ka North Eastern Hill University Students Union nehusu kala IT ya ka dorkhas cha Vice Chancellor Uprabha Shankar Shukla. Ka senjuk kala keno ba ka rukom bu kerdan ha ka school ba kala penduk mensia mi ki kena pulih haba yunujor bat ki wei pat ki school ba. Kumban cuya keren halor kini ki jing ka nehusu kala bu hakmat ya ki kaptu kat ni ki jing dawa kentup ya ka jing pentrekam mardor ya ka rukom bu kerdan ka bai hab rukom. Kila dawa man pensangi shwa ya ka jing penmi ya ka result jong ka second semester tat hadu bandala dep penbit penbiang ya ka rukom bu kerdan ka bai hab buram rukom bat kentu ban khmi biang ya ka result jong ki semester barem na ka banta ka ni ka batch ka bai hab bat ka rukom bu kerdan bathamai. Mentapat ngin ya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hasilong. Ka jing shit ka long 4.0 degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat ka long 4.0 degree Celsius. Ka jing sngem ka haw ka long riu puwe na ka shispa men step bat riu pusaw na ka shispa janmit. Kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala hakikat tu ka ni kijaka. Shwaban poy siya ka bukut jong ka tup kubor ngin ya pet biang sa shisenya kimat bakongsan. Lapan krek kanong ba Delhi ban pediang ya ka jingyalang G20 Summit. Inokam uba HM Shangpliang nakaseng BJP ula keno ya ka jingle Shiliang kum kadaw jong ka jing inokam jong u. Let jurip ka Meghalaya Estimate Committee ya ki Jakasa Haki School ha West Giant Hills. Bat dawa ka nehusu ban penbet ya ki jingbu kerdan ha ka school ba North Eastern Hill University. Te paralog da kitu ki khubor ngla poisha ka bukut jong ka thup khubor jongi menta ka janmit hadu bangin de syambyang bat phila shai kasngi khublei phi baro.
in a few moments.
Please tell me, when will it reach?
I just told you soon.